Hello and welcome to the HoloWare Tech Podcast. I'm Nazia, and today we are shining a spotlight on an initiative that's changing the game for Indian startups. HoloWare's Holo 50 scheme is designed to make high quality laptops and desktops more accessible to startups, helping them overcome financial challenges while gaining the technology they need to grow. Let's dive into how this innovative solution is fueling India's startup ecosystem. So let's get started. India's startup ecosystem is booming, with over 75,000 startups across sectors like AI, e-commerce, finance, and education. These businesses are essential in shaping the future of the economy, but one major challenge they face is access to reliable and affordable technology. Startups need the right tools to stay competitive, but high initial cost often holds them back. HoloWare's Holo 50 scheme provides a practical solution by offering high quality laptops and desktops with flexible payment options. Startups in India, specifically those in their early stages, often struggle with managing costs. While government initiatives like Startup India offer crucial support, the cost of tech remains a significant barrier. Premium devices, which are essential for development, software coding, and data analysis, are often out of reach. By reducing the financial burden, HoloWare's Holo 50 helps startups access the tech they need without depleting their cash reserves. HoloWare's Holo 50 is a groundbreaking scheme that allows startups to access high-performance laptops and desktops by paying only 50% of the cost upfront. The rest can be paid in flexible EMIs over a period of 6, 9, or 12 months. This initiative addresses the specific challenges faced by startups, offering them cutting-edge technology with manageable payment terms that won't strain their finances. The Holo 50 initiative is packed with features designed to make tech access easier for startups. With just 50% upfront payment required, businesses can quickly acquire essential technology. Flexible EMI options let startups manage payments according to their revenue cycles. And priority support and warranties provide peace of mind knowing the hardware is covered up to 3 years for desktops and workstations. These benefits significantly reduce operational costs, allowing startups to focus on innovation and growth. So, who's eligible for Holo 50? Startups must meet a few simple criteria. They should be less than 5 years old, have an annual turnover under 25 crores, and employ fewer than 100 people. If a startup meets these requirements, they can benefit from this innovative scheme and gain access to high-performance tech without the financial burden. Applying for Holo 50 is simple. Startups can reach out to the HoloWare's team through our websites. Once eligibility is confirmed, they will be guided through the process of selecting the right laptops or desktops and finalizing their payment plan. HoloWare's customer service ensures the process is smooth and seamless, with easy steps to get the necessary technology on the road to success. Whether you are in tech, e-commerce, education, or retail, Holo 50 offers tailored benefits. For tech startups, access to high-performance laptops is crucial for coding and development work. E-commerce businesses can set up their infrastructure without compromising on budget. Education startups can ensure their online courses run smoothly with reliable devices. Holo 50 helps all these businesses thrive in their respective fields. At its core, HoloWare's Holo 50 is about empowering startups. HoloWare believes in fostering an environment where businesses can grow and innovate without being held back by financial constraints. By offering affordable technology with flexible payments, HoloWare is contributing to India's vision of becoming a global innovation hub one startup at a time. Access to affordable technology is critical for startups, and HoloWare's Holo 50 scheme provides the perfect solution. By reducing upfront costs and offering flexible payment options, HoloWare is enabling startups to focus on their growth while keeping their finances in check. And to learn more or apply for Holo 50, visit holoware.co or reach out to us at marketing@holoware.co. Thanks for tuning in to the HoloWare Tech Podcast. I'm Nazia, signing off. Stay curious, stay connected, and keep innovating. And until next time, take care.